You've probably heard the expression rags to riches. Well, in tonight's Utah success story, Doug Jessop tells the story of a lot of hard work and remembering where you came from.
Steel. It's strong, durable, sustainable. Sparks of success started with Jerry Taylor and $238.
This $238 is all I had to my name, to be honest with you. I was behind in house payments, I was behind in a car payment, and I needed a job. I started welding for people and picking up jobs. I had a Rolodex that I had people's cards, and I started calling them, and then I taught myself how to estimate jobs, and then the first job I got was with Menlove Construction, and he gave me a chance.
That $238 back in 1983 has grown to annual sales of over $15 million.
Hi, welcome to JT Steel.
JT Steel churns out 100 tons of structural steel every week in all sizes.
Why should a little piece of steel matter when you've got this big, huge thing?
Well, if you have a big crane sitting on a job site and all of a sudden that little piece of steel's not there to connect the beam together, you got a problem.
As a custom steel fabricator, they do everything from large projects like BYU's baseball stadium and Jordan Commons to a walk-in customer that needs a couple of angles with holes.
JT Steel even made this sign for us.
JT Steel helps build Utah with people like Joe Reynolds, a partner at Cirque Construction.
JT Steel is one of those companies that we enjoy working with and that we enjoy developing a relationship with because they take care of us time and time again.
An example? Try Hogle Zoo.
The first phase that we did was the polar bear and grizzly bear habitats and the sea lion habitats, and they did all the structural steel and caging steel.
The sense of legacy is a strong motivator.
You take a personal interest in everything, stuff that we've done uptown, stuff we've done at the University of Utah, pretty much all the way around the valley, a lot down in Thanksgiving Point, and then you go around and say, this is what we did, this is JT Steel.
Someday I'll be gone, and they'll be able to drive down the road and say, I can remember one time when I passed here with Papa, and Papa built that building. It means a lot to me.
With another Utah success story, I'm Doug Jessop.